I thought you guys might get a kick out of this too. This is the room that I've been sleeping in, and I actually laugh because I look like I'm a squatter. Like in this room, it's really bad.
This early footage is a flashback to 2 years ago, but I'm going to take you from 2 years ago to today.
I'm working on this room, and I have high hopes today of hopefully getting some progress done on the walls, because I think I can just patch these and paint, opposed to the plaster over here that's such a mess we have to completely skim over.
The walls were a total mess, so I first used spackle and sanded them back before applying the first coat. I then painted the ceiling in ceiling white, and I took the ceiling fan and turned the blades over, and the other side were white, so that worked out really well. I gave it a good scrub, and the room was finally clean.
This is Benjamin Moore Revere Pewter, and again the trim is Benjamin Moore Cloud White, and we threw our new mattress on the floor in here for the time being, so we have a mattress to sleep on. This is it's actually a full bathroom. It's really strange. They put this shower in the middle, and you walk over here. Sorry, I gotta scoot over. And right here is the toilet. With, by the way, a lovely view, which is really pretty, of the water. So I guess that's kind of nice. The rest of the room is, needs to be ripped out. And then I'm hoping we can reconfigure this. It's kind of hard to show on film, the tight space. It's very tight, but we're gonna have to work with the space that we have.
We didn't have it in our budget to gut the bathroom and start fresh, so I decided to work with what I had, and the first step was to give the bathroom a complete and thorough clean. I then went in and painted the vanity in a bright white and changed the hardware to gold, and I painted all of the trim in a semi-gloss bright white as well as the ceiling, and I found this beautiful paper from Wayfair. I love the small pattern, and the bright blue is very, very pretty in the room. I still need to paint the cover of the heater in the wall white, and I also need to apply the stick-on tile for the floor. We did install a new toilet before I decided to change the floor, so we're going to have to take that out, and that's going to be a project for a later date. When we remove the toilet to install the floor, I'm going to put the last little bit of wallpaper up on that back wall, and then the walls will be complete. Believe it or not, I already had that blue mirror in my house, so it was the perfect size and color and fits beautifully in that space. And I must say, I really love this bathroom. I know it's old and dated, but it's so pretty now, and bright and cheerful and clean, and I'm really proud of what I did with it, because it started in such a dismal state, and now it's a happy little bathroom. It's a real little jewel box of a room. I also found this really sweet vintage set, a towel holder, toilet paper holder, and soap dish, and I'm going to install those pretty soon. And now an update on the little bedroom. It's just so small for a bedroom. We decided to, well, at first we decided to make it an office space, and then I really needed more room for my art supplies, and it has become my little art studio. So I purchased that cabinet at an auction, and I'm going to clean up the room and put away my paints and try to organize. I purchased this little box at the auction. I love to purchase old boxes for storage, and I'm going to use it for my brushes. What's in it was purchased as part of the lot, so I got the box and all the little pictures within. I think I paid like $3. And here's how I left the room after the big clean. It still needs to be emptied out some more, and I need to put up some shelves, but it's getting there. I do really love the space now for my artwork. I still have a lot of organizing to do, but I'm going to quickly show you because you saw a peek of our primary bedroom at the beginning of the video and the orange bedroom. Here they are today. Our bedroom is on the left. As you can see, that took a lot of work to do, and we still need to put up the crown molding and the ceiling fan, but I do have a whole video on the bedroom renovation in the playlist, as well as a video on the guest bedroom renovation that's coming up in just a sec. And here is the orange bedroom, the one that I was camping out in at the beginning of this video. It's all done, except for the ceiling fan. There are always these little projects that we're still working on, but we are almost there. Looking at this video, I think I should remove the sock monkeys and the pink nightstand because the bedroom looks a little girlish, but I do love the color of the walls with the floors, and all in all with the shiplap ceiling, I'm really pleased. If you've enjoyed this video and for more updates on the cottage as we go along, please subscribe.